What can you do with all this design your own box technology? Well, we just made the triangle box, and you can make a big triangle box. It's similar design, you just decide to make your side longer, and that is way bigger. You can make your own little square boxes. You can change the height of the box. I made an octagon box in the tutorial, but you can change the height and make a giant octagon box. You can use stronger origami skills and make the triangle box with the bottom inset. Then the bottom of the box is nice and flat. We've got the pentagon box. This was taught in the design series. Pretty cool. You can make a 3D triangle if you're really skilled, all with the techniques in the Design Your Own Box video. It's a little hard to assemble, but it's, really cool. One of a kind. Let's see, you can also even take the triangle box, fold it on the inside like one of these, except instead of folding down the sides, you can leave them up and make a little divider. And you can put 3 pairs of earrings in there or something, maybe. They're really nice gifts. You can make the UFO. I made a tutorial on this, but all the techniques are in the Design Your Own Box. There's another variation where it has its own little base. It's landed. Change the top a little bit. It may not look exactly like a UFO now, but that's a pretty cool thing. And you've got the round box. Look at that. So I divided the bill into 16 parts and did the angle folds and everything just like I've shown you. You can keep little silver rounds in there. This one's one of my favorites. Peace comes from within. You can even make a little origami wheel, basically. And there's a silver coin in there. Surprise silver coin. So subscribe to the channel to check out more original origami designs. I also have other designs like this rosette, 3-pointed ninja star, that's pretty easy. So's the rosette. I got this lovely 6-pointed star. That's just a little bit harder than the rosette. Got this easy origami bow tie. Got the Pyramid of Giza, $2 giant pyramid. It's all locked together. So please join, and I even have a real flying paper airplane. On a $1, this flies great. It's a fun toy. You can throw it in a circle of friends and play catch. That's how well it flies. So, need to get 1,000 subscribers? Help me out. Thanks for watching.